Hey guys, what's happening? Alright, so I'm the proud new owner of the Subaru Forester, blah blah blah. Anyway, I've used this brand, Griot's Garage. I've used the interior cleaner with great success. And if you guys ever use cheaper products and it's like, yeah, they kind of work, but then you use something amazing, it's worth spending a couple extra bucks for that amazing product to save your fingers and your knuckles and all this and that. So we're gonna try that on this heavily, brake dust, rust, all kind of stuff on this wheel. It's,
Oh yeah.
as you can see, I mean, you can't even scrape it off. I mean, it's very crusted on there.
Super crusty.
So with this product here, it says, to do it when they're cool, spray it off to get any, loose debris off of there. And then basically spray this on from the bottom up. Let it soak 3 to 5 minutes. Then you could agitate it with a soft brush or anything like that. Rinse it off, and then if need be, you might have to touch it up a little bit. But let's give it a go. It should start turning purple. Hey Nick, you want to grab the phone real quick?
Sorry. Smells like grapes.
A lot of people complain that it's, had kind of a rough smell, but
it's a weird smell.
I don't know. We'll see how that works. Hopefully it works good, because by golly, I don't want to scrub that crap.
No.
And that was, let's see, so we'll actually do the timing. So it's 2:54. We'll let it sit down there till 3 o'clock, and we'll report back here.
You want to see my new tires, guys?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, Holly's getting some new tires. Yeah, you can show them. Here, I'll put the light on for you. So Holly's jealous of all the guys with their cool off-road tires and vehicles. And
super jealous.
so she went with the Wild Peaks on hers. So pretty aggressive, for a car tire. But you got kind of a cool raised. You wanted that raised. She wants the raised, right?
Raised out, yeah.
Yes. Put the. You don't have to.
I like it out, I think.
Oh, really?
That's why the yellow dots on that side.
Oh.
They don't want you to?
No, they do.
They do.
Well,
Yeah, so this was, where's my old tires? Here they are. So I bought these, 2 years ago, put 30,000 miles on them, and there's not a bit of tread. I didn't buy them in 19, though. I didn't buy them then. I was working here, I swear. Either way, so whatever. We got some cool new tires to the sole. They're gonna look pretty sweet. Make it look a little off-roady. There she is. There she is. Wow, holy smokes. Yeah, it definitely turns purple.
So so at least 5-6 minutes have passed. I started scrubbing on this window here. Not super impressed. It's working, but okay. If you can kind of see, this one down here is pretty crusty. I haven't really scrubbed that at all. And the stuff should just come right off, but it's not.
Maybe it needs just some
this is
longer to soak.
This is very caked on,
Yeah.
so this rim here is very exaggerated with the amount of crust and staining. So it's going to take a lot more work. Some of the videos I've seen with some of the cleaners, it just melts all that stuff off. But this is some really kind of raised up, caked on stuff. So
Yeah, it'll probably come off, I think, once it soaks a little
I'll see
longer.
how it kind of does on the other wheels, and I'll report back. All said and done. Sure it's not a bad product, but it's probably more of a maintenance thing that you want to kind of keep up on your wheels. when they get to this point, I mean, that's just hard to clean no matter what you got. So maybe there's a better product out there. You know, if you guys have dealt with similar issues like this and you got an amazing product you can recommend, please chime in and let me know, because I absolutely hate cleaning wheels. So, all right, I'll get this all done and I'll let you guys know my final thoughts. All right, guys, so I'm still here. It's about an hour and a half later. I've washed the rest of the car. I've cleaned the other wheels, and they came out okay. You know,
They look better.
they look better, but you know, for as much as this product cost, I mean, it was you know, it's $20 for a 22-ounce bottle. And I mean, I am still, I mean, literally, this was a brand new bottle, and I mean, it's almost gone. You know, and I mean, I've done this wheel probably
It's been sitting here forever.
6 times already now. You know, it's like I've gone, I've let it soak, I've scrubbed it, you know, I sprayed more crap on there, scrubbed it some more, rinsed it off, sprayed it again. I mean, I've done this wheel many times at this point, and it's getting very close, but it's still a little bit though. So I don't know, maybe in the future I will try a different product and let you guys know what I think about that. So, but yeah, I mean, if you got some really bad crusty cake down stuff on your wheels, this might not be the stuff for you. I do like the interior cleaner, you know, and if this product works good for you, great, cool, use it. I'm not trying to bash it, but it just didn't work for me. So that's all I'm saying, guys. Until the next time, we'll catch you later.
But wait, we got more.
Oh, but wait, there's more. Holly's gonna take you over and show you her new tires.
Woo!
Pretty aggressive. So we'll
They
see
look
you guys
really
later.
good, guys. The new and improved off-road Kia Soul. It's hard to see it right now, but much better looking. Alright guys, thanks for watching.